Hey everyone, okay, so today is a concealer hack trick tip. So concealer creases, especially as we get older, the lines around the eyes, it can become problematic and sometimes can look worse than just doing nothing. But if you find that it does crease and go into the lines and wrinkles, here is something you can do. So first, pick your concealer. It doesn't really matter what one, cream, powder, liquid, doesn't matter. Now, smile as broad as you can to create the lines and wrinkles. Then apply the concealer over the smiling. So you want to smile and apply the concealer over those smile lines. Now, stop smiling. You'll see the creasing, right? Gently, just pat across that area to smooth it back out. Then smile really strongly again. And with a Q-tip, where you see the fine lines, gently remove the excess product. Now, here's the trick. Take a tissue, dab the area to remove the oils, then take a very small amount of primer, like an eye primer, pat it over the area and finish with a touch of powder and setting spray, and that will complete this. I know it's a little bit of a lot of work, I'm not going to lie to you, but if you find that it does crease and get into those fine lines, this is a great way to prevent that. Thanks for watching, appreciate it, let me know, and I'll see you all soon, bye bye.